Hi, Pearl. Hi.
Guess what I just made? Cloud slime.
Alright, I want it over the table.
Okay.
Please. You got it on your dress.
Want to know what this election is really about? Streets like this, while everyone else divides up a smaller and smaller piece.
Show us your slime. Explain it to me.
So this is cloud slime. It consists of regular overactivated slime and fake snow. Just add water to it.
I like it. Now the fake snow. What does it do with water? Anything?
Okay, fake snow is just powder when you buy it.
Okay.
You add water and it fizzes up.
Show me a little bit.
Okay.
Just the snow though. Just a tiny bit for the view. Wow.
You just put that much.
There's water right there. A little bottle.
That's activator.
What is this here? Cloud snow?
Cloud slime that I was working on. You add a tiny bit, you add some water. Wait for it. See? It's already turning into snow and it just grows. And it comes with a tiny spoon that you can mix it up with. And you could add more snow.
Stir.
And more water. And look at that automatic grow. And you just mix it up. And you take some slime. And you put it in. And it makes it to this consistency.
That's a noisy cat.
I know, it's a boot.
Let me see if he has food. Nope.
That's probably why you...
He brushed my leg and said thanks. All right.
I'll only use an oral aid. First like a friend. Last chance to win $7,000 a week for life from Publishers Clearinghouse.
Tell Daddy, Mama, give him kisses.
Hi, pretty.
See Mommy over here kissing me all up. See Mommy
So is Daddy.
kissing her all up.
Yeah, baby.
You should buy a toothbrush.
That's it. Baby, hi.
You know what I'm going to do for decoration?
Hi.
When I put it into the container, I'm going to put a gem on top.
Would somebody like to give me the diaper bag?
Daddy will.
Ameriprise Financial. Tested 7 in just about 30 minutes until the polls closed. From Cleveland to Columbus and the issues in
Thank you.
between. It is election day in perspective. Tom Barris joined.